Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. A chiral carbon, stereocenter, is a carbon atom bonded to 4 different substituents. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structures of the 4 butyl alcohols. All are C4H9 isomers. N-butyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2O. No carbon has 4 different groups. C1 has 2 Hs, C2 has 2 Hs, etc. No chiral center. Isobutyl alcohol, CH3, to CH2O. The CH2O carbon has 2 Hs, the CH carbon has 2 identical CH3 groups. No chiral center. Sec-butyl alcohol, CH3CH, or CH2CH3. The carbon bearing the OH group, C2, is bonded to OH, CH3, and CH to CH3, 4 different groups. This is a chiral center. Tert-butyl alcohol, CH3, 3COH. The carbon bearing OH has 3 identical CH3 groups. No chiral center. Moving on to the next step. Evaluate each option. A. N-butyl alcohol, no chiral carbon eliminated. B. Isobutyl alcohol, no chiral carbon eliminated. C. Sec-butyl alcohol, C2 bears OH, H, CH3, and C2H5, 4 different substituents, chiral carbon present. D. Tert-butyl alcohol, no chiral carbon eliminated. And for the final step. Conclusion. Only sec-butyl alcohol possesses a chiral carbon atom among the 4 isomeric butyl alcohols. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.